Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Estamos en un nuevo video del canal y en este video hoy les enseño un tutorial 2 de cómo editar videos, pero ahora con memes y con sonidos. Bueno, aquí tenemos este video de visibilidad que lo estoy editando. Yo quité. Y esto no tiene sentido. Y acá hay solo puros sonidos, no.
My team, they're stuck under a hole and there's...
All girls that feel like and have them get us out of this predicament.
Dora's not the best at communicating, though. I don't think 4 would understand her. Actually,
Well, Saw, you're made of metal. Go swim up there yourself.
but my new handle, I just got this pretty thing. I don't want to lose it. Oh, thanks.
Amogus.
4! Oh, my team, they're stuck under a hole. There's in a hole under the lava, and you gotta save them.
Ay, ¿qué pasó? Ah, esperen.
Oh, hey, it's Taco.
Nice
Taco, you're back.
fish.
Taco, we missed you so much.
Ow.
Oh, okay, no, but really, we're really sorry for how we treated you back there with the jawbreaker thing. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're...
Hasta la próxima.